Yes, yes. Day 24 of 100. Let's go. Seeing a lot of progress. Woke up, looked in the mirror, and was like, damn. That's what we doing? Alright, let's go. I want to thank God, thank you universe, thank you nature for just being able to wake up and do this every day. Amen. Amen. Get that light jog in down to the park. Let's run it. I love the transition from that subtle blue to that warm sunrise. Ooh, you see it? You see it? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Thank y'all for watching. Want to encourage anybody to continue to work on their mindset and be the best version of themselves. Continue to lock in and do exactly what you know need to be done. Stay grounded and thank God for all the blessings on your journey. Grow by any means. Back at it tomorrow.